So what people need to know is that from an overall market standpoint, we're kind of dealing with the last of the shuffle. All right. The last of the sellers, the buyers trying to buy up what's being sold. This kind of sideways, boring trading action that we've dealt with for most of the summer now, it's coming to a conclusion. And this is, again, where SHIB is about to get exciting. Now, looking obviously at yesterday sucked for the overall crypto market. I talked about why this wasn't my ADA video. You guys can check that out if you want. But we know that there was a big dump by the U.S. government, $2 billion worth of BTC. It really sent some fear into the market, and then just kind of compounded with selling from Grayscale yesterday. And it was not a fun day at all. However, Shiba Inu actually looking still quite resilient, still sitting right around the top of our gift zone. This is great. And the interesting thing about this is SHIB is looking like it's ready to breach this descending wedge that we've been in. All right, we breached the top of this twice. You guys can see we did it back here on July 27th. We did it back here on July 29th, so just yesterday. And right now we're sitting right at the top of this range as well. If there is enough push in the overall crypto market, SHIB it's basically ready to rocket out of here. All right. I don't know how many times I have to say it, but I'll keep saying it till it happens. It's ready to go on a nice pop to the upside. Now, as always, this is not a guarantee. This is not financial advice. And basically this shuffle that we're dealing with in the market is two things, right? Obviously, we're dealing with this shuffle of institutional money when it comes to spot Ethereum ETFs. Yesterday was another outflow day. Grayscale over just 5 days has dumped almost 20% of their bag. All right, really think about that. $1.7 billion worth of Ethereum dumped in 5 days. And now they're 20% through their bag. This at some point is going to change to where we are going to have positive net flows very, very shortly. Now, the great thing is, we're dealing with this absorbing the selling of Grayscale on that front. Market's absorbing it really well. Institutional money yesterday trying to help absorb this dump by the U.S. government. So again, just that shuffle, that back and forth, the dump, the buy back up, the dump, the buy back up. And the thing is there is more capital that is available to buy up these dumps than there is for those entities that are dumping in the market to actually continue dumping. Okay. We very heavily outweigh. There's 10, 20 times more capital than there is that's being dumped in the market. Think about that. Okay. Now, this doesn't mean that we get led to immediate spikes. It doesn't mean that our next move is our moon run or anything like that, right? You just have to be patient and let the market play out. You got to let it do its thing. Us personally, guys, most people have accumulated. You can sit on your hands. You can wait. You can walk away from the charts, set alerts. That's what I basically do, guys. I haven't checked the value of my portfolio in a long time. Frankly, right now, I don't care. I've had people asking me when I'm planning on selling. It's not until much deeper into the bull market, right? Usually these runs that come following this, they last until somewhere around March. That's usually where the market goes through the correction. We get back into the crypto summer, things get kind of boring. And then you have your nice run in the fall to basically close out the last of this bull market. That's why I've said the top, I believe, is sometime around October of 2025. As always, this is not a guarantee. This is not financial advice, but basically come, March, February, that's kind of where I start to ladder out a little bit. And then I just kind of sit for most of the summer and then prepare for that last and final leg. And that's when I liquidate the rest of what I'm willing to sell. All right. Me personally, guys, I'm not dumping my whole bag. I know SHIB is an asset that is likely going to perform extremely well this cycle. It's likely to be around for cycles in the future because of the fundamentals that we talk about time and time again. But I just wanted to provide some clarity on that. We're getting to the end of this, guys. Okay. I'm not saying this is going to happen today. I'm not saying it's going to happen tomorrow, but very soon it'll be over. It'll be over. And those clouds that are above us, those black, gray clouds, whatever, that have been the storm clouds over the industry that have provided, fear and things like that, they're going to have dissipated. And all we have is kind of similar to what we saw in March. Exciting times, pumps in the market, new capital, new users, the fun times in crypto will be back. Appreciate you guys as always. Have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.